On these next cuts, notice that the tool handle is pretty low. This is what we call a peeling angle, and I'm going to move the tool into the wood and the shavings will just come off like this. We don't want to have the tool handle up like this because that's more of a scraping angle. So we'll lower it down low. And continue those same cuts. On this cut here, I'm pinching the tool, and this finger here is riding along the tool rest, and that's keeping this cut so that it's cylindrical. I can lay the tool on top, and if I feel any flat spots, I know that I need to take it down a little bit further. It feels like it's clean, and so I think we've removed those square corners.